in the night garden. Iggle, piggle, iggle, onk. We're going to catch the Pinky Ponk. Hurry up, Pinky Ponk. Who's here?
Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy! Oh, whoopsie daisy! Oh.
Upsy Daisy and Iggle Piggle.
Whoopsie daisy! Oh. Oh.
Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do.
Whoopsie daisy! Oh.
Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle Nickle Wiggle Diggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle Nickle Wiggle Woo.
Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy!
Upsy Daisy and Iggle Piggle.
Pip pip on on! Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy! Mwah! Pip pip on on! How? Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy!
Looking up, looking down, here and there, and all about. Here's a house. Whose house is this? And are they in? Or are they out? Let's see.
Makka Pakka!
Makka Pakka.
Makka Pakka! Woo!
Makka Pakka, Akka Waka, Mika Maka Moo. Makka Pakka, Appa Yaka, Ika Akka Oo. Hum Dum, Aga Pang, Ing Ang Oo. Makka Pakka, Akka Waka, Mika Maka Moo.
Makka Pakka! Makka Pakka!
Hello, Makka Pakka. What are you doing today?
Makka Pakka!
Are you going out into the garden? Can we go with you?
Makka Pakka! Makka Pakka!
Makka Pakka's Ogpog.
Ogpog. Makka Pakka. Makka Pang.
Makka Pakka's Sponge and Soap.
Makka Pang. Makka Moo. Uff, uff.
Makka Pakka's Uff Uff.
Uff, uff. Uff, uff. Dum.
And Makka Pakka's Trumpet. Oh!
Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
What a funny trumpet noise. It doesn't usually sound like that.
I'm done. Makka Pakka. Makka. Makka. Moo. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
Who's here? The Pontipines. The Pontipines are friends of mine, although they're only small, and even when there's 10 of them, they're hardly there at all. 1 Pontipine, 2 Pontipines, 3 Pontipines, 4 Pontipines, 5 Pontipines, 6 Pontipines, 7 Pontipines, 8 Pontipines, 9 Pontipines, 10 Pontipines.
Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
What a funny noise.
Ooh, upsy daisy. Oh. Upsy daisy. Oh. Upsy daisy.
What a funny noise.
Oh. Upsy daisy. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Upsy daisy.
Don't worry, Iggle Piggle. It's only a funny noise.
Oh. Upsy daisy. Oh. Upsy daisy. Daisy too. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, upsy daisy, upsy daisy. Oh, upsy daisy. Upsy daisy, daisy too. Upsy daisy, upsy daisy. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Upsy daisy! Makka Pakka! Oh, upsy daisy! Makka Pakka! Oh, how? Upsy daisy! Ooh! Oh, upsy daisy! Oh.
What a funny trumpet noise.
Upsy daisy!
Makka Pakka's trumpet is making a funny noise.
Ooh! Upsy daisy! Oh! Upsy daisy!
There's something wrong with Makka Pakka's trumpet.
Oh, upsy daisy! Makka Pakka. Oh, upsy daisy! Upsy daisy!
Oh, Upsy Daisy, have you had a clever idea to make Makka Pakka feel better? Are you going to do a dance?
Daisy do! Daisy do!
What a clever way to make Makka Pakka feel better.
Upsy daisy! Upsy daisy! Upsy daisy do! Upsy daisy! Daisy do! Upsy daisy do! Upsy daisy do! Makka Pakka! Upsy daisy! Oh! Makka Pakka! Oh, upsy daisy! Oh.
Look at that. Look what came out of Makka Pakka's trumpet. A pretty stone.
Daisy do!
That's more like Makka Pakka's trumpet noise.
Daisy do! Makka Pakka! Ooh! Upsy daisy! Daisy do! Oh, Daisy do! Oh. Upsy daisy! Ooh! Oh. Daisy do! Daisy do! Makka Pakka. Oh, upsy daisy! Oh.
What a lovely present.
Oh, upsy daisy! Upsy daisy! Upsy daisy! Oh, daisy too! Upsy daisy! Upsy daisy! Daisy too. Upsy daisy! Upsy daisy! Oh, upsy daisy! Oh,
Thank you, Makka Pakka.
Makka Pakka. Upsy Daisy.
Makka Pakka.
Oh, Daisy too.
Makka Pakka had a stone in his trumpet. Isn't that a pip? The Tittifers have sung their song. Time to go to sleep, Makka Pakka.
Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
A story. Once upon a time, in the night garden, there was a funny noise. Boop, 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 boop. What a funny noise, coming from Makka Pakka's trumpet. There was a stone in it. Makka Pakka gave the stone to Upsy Daisy. Thank you, Makka Pakka.
Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
Go to sleep, Makka Pakka.
Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
Go to sleep, Upsy Daisy.
Daisy too.
Go to sleep, Pontipines. Go to sleep, Tombliboos. Go to sleep, Hahoos. Go to sleep, Ninky Nonk, and go to sleep, Pinky Ponk. Go to sleep, everybody. Wait a minute. Somebody's not in bed. Who's not in bed? Iggle Piggle's not in bed. Don't worry, Iggle Piggle. It's time to go.